Hi, and welcome back to my channel. It's July, you know what that means. It's a new Perfectly Posh kit. And let me tell you how stoked I am about this month's kit. It's so amazing. First up, we have products for your business. Now these are super exciting because they're full-size products. I mean, come on. Full-size products for you to huff and enjoy and huff. Huffing is acceptable if it's posh. First up, we have PJs All Day. This is a phenomenal scrub. This is lavender vanilla goodness. It's a sugar body scrub and it has glycerin and it has shea butter and it's super moisturizing. Not to mention it's got that lavender essential oil in it and it's going to calm you down. It's not too rough and it's not too soft, and let me tell you, if you shave with this, you'll never go back. Once you shave, you don't go back. Next up, Totes Oats. This is one of my most favorite body masks in the world. And right now, it's in the middle of the summer and we have this super bad heat wave. And if you go out to the beach, you're totally gonna get sunburned if you don't put sunblock on. Like I don't, because I forget, but that's beside the point. So you need something to calm down that sunburn and kind of heal it. This is your bad boy. This has almond oil, oatmeal, honey. It's gonna help heal it up. And come on, tell me you don't recognize the way this looks.
As if.
My favorite face wash, the BFF, because best face forever. This I do not leave home without. It is my husband's favorite face wash. This has exfoliating sugar beads in it, and it's going to give you a nice exfoliation without being too harsh. It's got glycerin, it's got anti-aging properties in it, such as grapefruit, peppermint oil, cucumber extract. It's absolutely amazing. This is like our #1 selling face wash ever. In fact, if this were to ever go away, I'm pretty sure there'd be riots in the streets. Next up, Healer. Did I mention that it's sunburn season? Okay, just checking. Healer is the most fabulous thing ever. In fact, this is the reason why I came into the company, because I get eczema on my eyes. I mean, who gets eczema on their eyes? I do. Anyway, this bad boy is great for dry skin. It's great for scratches, cuts, bug bites. When your kid falls down and gets a boo-boo, I call it the magic stick, instantly takes those tears away. Sunburns, regular burns, healing tattoos. I mean, look at these tattoos. Aren't they pretty? I healed them all with this, the Healer. So this is a multi-purpose stick. This smells like an orange creamsicle, like for reals, honestly, for reals. Next up, the Perk. This is my go-to one for headaches. My husband too. This has peppermint essential oil, shea butter, beeswax, and our skin sticks cannot be like the most amazing thing. Oh no, they can be the most amazing thing. You just simply take it when you have a headache, you roll it onto the back of your neck. Sometimes I slam it on my pulse points, and you let that essential oil do its job. It actually will perk you up just a little bit. That's the Perk. Next up, one of our most fabulous chunks, Milking It. This thing is amazing. So honey's gonna heal you, the goat's milk's gonna moisturize you, and it's not gonna leave that, that icky film that you get in your shower, that you get from, those other soaps. You're not gonna get that with this. Very, very last thing you're gonna get in products for your business is Ain't That the Youth hand cream. Now I would show it to you, but it seems to have gone AWOL from my stash. It is an unscented hand cream. In fact, did you know that your hands are the first thing to show signs of aging? True story. You get the age spots like my grandmother did. So the Ain't That the Youth not only will moisturize you and it won't be greasy, but it's going to help with the age spots on your hands. Isn't that awesome? It is. Admit it. Next up, you have products for you. These are for you to enjoy as you please. First up is Honey. Ignore this one. It's old. It's well loved, and I can't find the new package ones because I sold it. This is a lightly scented lemon berry honey lotion. Now the honey's going to heal you. That's why you put honey in your tea, people. Next up is Social Butterfly. This is a candied blackberry hand cream, and the great thing about the hand creams is they're not greasy. It's almost like everything I told you. The rule with Posh is just a dot, not a lot. So this is amazing, and if you're a social butterfly, you must have this hand cream. Another chunk, lavender chunk, or as I like to call it, dear God, will my children go to sleep? So this has got all that goodness of lavender. Rub it on, you woo-saw down. and then you go to sleep. Good stuff. Last up is one of our Fizzy bath bombs. Now these things are amazing. They come in a variety, a plethora, if you will say, of scents and flavors. Some foam, some don't. As my aunt says, don't forget to take the plastic off before you drop it in. Last up for you, an exclusive product. Ritual no longer comes like this. This is the way it used to come. It comes in a tube. So this is a clay face mask, and it pulls all the gunk out of you. And this is to remind you that it's good to have a ritual for you to pamper yourself, because especially if you are a busy mom, or if you're a busy anything, if you're a busy woman of any kind, or if you're one of the few rare guys we have, but you're busy, take time, take that extra, like even minute to sit there and take care of yourself, because you know what? You deserve it. This is only for consultants. You cannot buy it. I have to bargain for people to get it. And I'm out. You want this. It's amazing. It smells kind of like cherries. Last up in your last bag that you're going to get are samples. You're going to get a whole bunch of samples, specifically Sassiuma, which is a fabulous bright orange hand cream, Good Hydrations, a shower lotion, and All Is Balm, which is a coconut balm. So rather than being an oil, it's a mixture of a whole bunch of different oils and coconut oil, and it's going to soak right in, but it's not going to like melt and get all over everything. Trust me, been there, done that. You don't want it. You'll also get Right on Cue, which is our Cuticle Cream. I don't happen to have that one, so I can't show it to you, but you're going to get plenty for you to pass out, give to people, get them samples, take their information, and get yourself some customers so you can start making the Benjamins. Feel free to drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, or even contact me. I've dropped my contact information below. Head on over there, email me, text me, just go on my website, whatever you want to do. Hook up with me on social media and we can chit chat. Until then, have a fabulous July, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.